this video is about how I'm saving over 50% on my gas bill for heating all this hot water that goes down the drain. Usually this hot water is wasted, but this device captures all of that hot water and preheats the cold water coming in from the street. It's a heat transfer device called the power pipe, and it has some pretty awesome claims. It says that it'll increase up to 25 degrees from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, or 10 degrees Celsius up to 24 degrees Celsius. So that's a 50% increase in temperature. I'm going to put it to the test. I bought this infrared heat gun, and we're going to go in my house. It's winter right now. It's February in Cleveland, and we're going to test it out and see if the claims are accurate. So this is the water coming in from the street. The pipe is around 50 degrees, let's call it 51 degrees. And over here in the closet is the drain pipe. And I do have the shower running upstairs, so let's see what temperature the cold water's coming in. 48 degrees coming in from the street. And then that cold water is preheated by the hot water that's coming down from your showers, or anything else that you're using hot water, faucets, dishwasher, clothes dryer, if you have that, clothes washer. And look at that, it increased it up to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So something extra I did at my house is I ran separate 2-inch lines from all the devices that direct hot water down and out of the house, because I wanted all that hot water to go through the power pipe. And you can see I not only have the 4-inch waste line that comes from the toilet, but I also have a separate 2-inch line that runs directly to the power pipe. So here's the hot water tank, and this is the preheated water coming in to the hot water tank, and it's around 71 degrees when I hit the infrared dot on there. That's preheated water. And then this is the hot water going out from the hot water tank, so that's 76 degrees. So this is the line coming from the power pipe. This is the preheated water in the white lines. It goes not only over to the hot water tank, but it also goes in through the manifold to the fixtures that normally use pure cold water. So when you're mixing the hot and cold water at the fixture, you're using it with preheated water and the heated water from the hot water tank. From the hot water tank, you see the red line going back over to the manifold to the balance of the house. So the key to this system is that the preheated water is less of a burden for the hot water tank to increase in temperature, and it also expands the amount of time that you have for available hot water, just because it takes a lot of energy to heat all that cold water up to a certain temperature. So it enables the hot water tank to catch up quite a bit. And the readings that I'm going to show you here is I'm actually getting more than the 50% increase from the manufacturer. I'm getting closer to 65%. I'm going to leave a link to the description of this product. It's out of Canada. I got it a little while ago. There's no moving parts, no electrical pumps or anything like that. It's completely passive energy. Okay, so we're going to take the temperature of the incoming water. That is just the cold tap water here. This sink does not have the preheated water running to it. And it's going to get down into the 40s. Down to about 43.2 degrees Fahrenheit. So then we'll go over to another sink that does have the preheated water coming into it, and that temperature of the other sink that you're going to see is going to reach about 71.6, and that's just running through the power pipe. So the manufacturer claims about a 25 degree Fahrenheit increase, which is about a 50% increase in the water temperature as compared to my house, which I got about 28.4 degrees, or a 65% increase, probably because I have those segregated pipes. So pretty interesting. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.